Hey scholars, hope you're doing well. This week finds us at week 4 of distant learning. We're going to be solving quadratic equations. Up until this point, we have been working with quadratic equations. We have been factoring them. So we're just going to add one extra step to this. The video that you're watching is located here. I asked my wife for her favorite quote, one of her favorite quotes, and it's from William Shakespeare. Love comforts like sunshine after rain. Hopefully this quote and this activity finds you well. So for this week, for the choice board, I'm asking you to do the same thing that you've been doing for the previous 3, where you're going to complete an M, an a T, and an H activity from the choice board. I added a 5th way that you can show me your work. I decided to create a math Instagram account. I know a lot of you are on Instagram, so if you'd like to tag me in your work, you can find me at Warnicki_mathman. You can use Flipgrid if you want to record a video or show me something on that. There's the link for this week if you'd like to. Many of you have been texting me on the Remind app, which is wonderful. That's something that comes directly to my phone, so I'll get that. If you're not signed up for Remind, just text at Wernicke M1 to the number 81010. You can obviously, as always, submit your work in Google Classroom, or you can email me at my email. If you need to get a hold of me, those are ways, again, that you can. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday of this week, I'll be available anytime between 11 and 2 p.m. Thursdays, if those earlier hours don't work, you can reach me anywhere from 4 to 6 p.m. And if you want to Zoom with me, just let me know and we can set up an appointment if you'd like to do that. So the choice board for this week, again, has the different components, the M, the A, the T, and the H. So for the M, if you can select one of these activities, if you'd like to do a quizzes, you can do that as many times as you want. As always, if you can please just type your first name in. If you want to play more than once, just type a 1 or 2 or 3. At the end, should be able to log you in. There's the code for that. There's 10 questions there for you. If you want to just kind of do some work on a worksheet, you would just come here. When you click here, it will give you a document, and that document you'll have problems, and then when you scroll down to the bottom of the page, it will give you the answers so you can check and see if you're doing it correctly. Edpuzzle, something we haven't done before, but it should work for you. Hopefully you're able to log in. There's a video that will be awaiting you with a narrator. There'll be certain spots along the way where you have to answer some multiple choice questions. So if the lesson makes sense for you that I'm about to go over, then hopefully that is something for you. Then application. So there will be some problems. I'm going to go through some examples in a moment where you're going to be factoring like we did before, but then once you get your answers in the parentheses, you're going to be finding the solutions, which is just one extra step. And then the vertex, that's something we haven't talked about yet, but that is something that's coming up. You can choose something in the T column, reflecting upon your teachers. You can write a letter to any teacher that you've had. If you want to actually send it to that teacher, you can. If you want to forward it to me, and I will try to contact the teacher. Little reflection, the best lesson that you've ever had from a teacher, or you can have the option of teaching me something. If you are an expert in something or would like to teach me a skill or some type of task to perform, you can do that. Instagram, if you want to do a quick video, if you want to do it through TikTok or something like that, those are all options for you. And then the H for this week is going to stand for health. There's a meditation link. If for some reason it doesn't work, you can just find your own. Tai Chi, something that I've gotten into over the past couple of weeks. If you want to do a Tai Chi activity, you can do that, or a total body workout video. That is that. So those are the directions for this week. The next video that you're going to see will actually go through all the work that hopefully makes sense. Again, if it doesn't, you can just reach out to me and I'll be more than happy to help. Thanks.